Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare a natural recipe for anti-wrinkles. For this recipe, we need onion, egg, and some ingredients. To prepare our recipe, we will first crack the egg. What are the benefits of eggs for facial skin and wrinkles? Eggs increase skin elasticity. Egg white tightens the skin, resulting in a smoother and younger-looking face. Reduces wrinkles. The proteins and amino acids in it restore skin elasticity. Narrows pores. Egg white tightens enlarged pores on the face and makes the skin clear. Balances skin oil. Improves skin tone. The vitamins and minerals in eggs give the skin a natural glow. For today's recipe, you will need onions. What are the benefits of onions for facial skin and wrinkles? Onions contain vitamin C, antioxidants, and sulfur compounds. They renew skin cells and slow down the aging process. The natural acids in onions improve blood circulation under the skin, which gives the face a healthy glow. It reduces wrinkles, tightens the skin, and gives a youthful appearance. Due to its antibacterial properties, onions reduce and cleanse the skin. With regular use, an onion mask makes the face smooth, soft, and clear. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Apply the mask to cleansed skin. Don't forget to do an allergy test before applying the mask. This natural mask reduces wrinkles, smooths facial skin, narrows pores, clarifies skin tone. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Use it twice a week. The results will amaze you. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, if you found the video useful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.